What does blissful mean? Blissful means full of happiness, peace, and joy. In simple words, blissful means extremely happy. When someone feels calm, relaxed, and deeply happy, they feel blissful. Blissful describes a strong and pure feeling of happiness. For example, she felt blissful while watching the sunset. This means she felt very peaceful and happy. Blissful is often used to describe peaceful moments, love, relaxation, or beautiful experiences. For example, they spent a blissful weekend at the beach. The baby looked blissful while sleeping. Blissful is stronger than just happy. Happy means feeling good. Blissful means feeling very happy and peaceful at the same time. The word bliss means perfect happiness. Blissful comes from the word bliss. Here are some example sentences. He had a blissful smile on his face. The music created a blissful atmosphere. She enjoyed a blissful holiday with her family. Blissful is usually used for positive emotions in pleasant situations. In simple terms, blissful means extremely happy and peaceful. Easy way to remember. Blissful means full of joy.